Hi, this is Ishmael. After the beep, leave me a message about a book you love. I transcribe and share at least one voicemail every day.
Hi, Ishmael. The book that I loved and changed my life is I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. I remember reading that book when I was about 11 or 12 years old, and when I read the story of how she became mute after being so savagely assaulted and did not speak for years, but took solace in the words of William Shakespeare, that made me a lover of Shakespeare for life. I immediately went to my mom and had her buy me the complete works of Shakespeare. I particularly remember When in Disgrace with Fortune in Men's Eyes was her favorite sonnet, and so it became mine as well. That started me on a lifelong thirst and quest for books, knowledge, learning, and love of words. Thank you, Ishmael.